Yeah, so what's going on with you guys? What's going on with me? This is another chart breakdown, Okay, so going in for next week, what I'm looking at, we from the weekly, we've had a leg, a push, then a little consolidation, then a push. So what I'm looking at, what I think is gonna happen is gold is gonna continue. Right, so if we replicate this leg, okay, we're gonna see it get to 27 2700, which is possible, a very possible all-time high, highest it's ever been, and it's just going. DXY on the other hand, so I'll go back there and break it down on lower time frame. So DXY on the other hand is at a trend line, strong, is retesting this area multiple times. Like this on the weekly, it just looks like twice. But if I go down, of course, broke this low, but this trend line, we are looking at it. So if I go down to the daily, see it has touched twice. This is the third time actually. So any further, of course, it closed below these two lows, so we could just reject it. Maybe not. So watching, if it breaks past it, then we know that okay, it's a valid move for gold to the upside. Right. So back to gold on a daily, you've been seeing this very nice, um, simple, movement, right? High, and likes 4 hour, blah, 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 had little complex, but cool. So what I think is gonna happen due to I'm seeing a bullish, I think it's gonna either ways we have two outcomes I'm expecting. Either we are going to come here, consolidate, have a breakdown, and continue, right? A breakout, sorry, consolidate to this area, breakout, and then continue. Or we have retracement down to this level, or maybe just in the middle here before a continuation. So those are the two scenarios I'm looking at for next week. If you look at it from the time frame daily, yeah, daily, when we have something like this, sometimes if we have a candle coming to maybe cover the portion, so maybe up to this level. So yeah, I have option B happening. Don't know yet. So until next week starts, we know how it will go. So next week might just be a bearish week. Nothing, no much volume. Sorry, not next week. Monday is bearish day, no much volume, just then Tuesday might have a continuation week, then if he wants to continue, or just, but I don't really expect anything happening on Monday, if not for just a little movement. So this is what it looks like from the hourly perspective, which is really not important, because we want directions. So we look at the higher time frame for directions. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at for gold, and for DXY. As soon as we break, this low, then we are going for a dump, a serious dump. We are dumping up to 100 points, and if you reject it, then we'll have a continuation. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Short, simple. We don't know what the news, if this okay, there's news next week, but offensive minutes. Oh my goodness. So we have on 21st, and we have Okay, this is offer week. So next week we just have one news, which is on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, nothing. Then okay, we have this on Friday. Okay, so we have Wednesday and Friday. Chairman, this chairman is talking. Alright, so Wednesday and Friday we have news. So next week is I think it's gonna be a slow week for gold. But who knows? Let's see what it has for us. Bearish for the most part, maybe first 2 3 days, then bullish or remains bearish all through the week. Alright, so yeah, that's my breakdown. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking forward to, and hope you have a good trading week. Follow your plans and always reward your good behaviors, and money will be the byproduct.